Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I'll be telling you about aloe vera plant care. As you already know, aloe vera plant has many medicinal benefits. As you know, the gel of the aloe vera plant has many health benefits. And we can get the health benefits either by consuming the jelly or by making a face pack, hair pack, etc. Most of us have this aloe vera plant, but many of us complain that the aloe vera plant is not growing well. So in today's video, I'll be telling you all how we should take care of this plant so this plant is in good health. 6 months ago, we planted these aloe vera plants in 2-liter bottles and 5-inch pots. We planted really small plants in very little soil. After 6 months, our plant's health was like this. As you can see from these plants, we are cutting some leaves for ourselves. As the pots are little small, my mom is removing all the baby plants that have grown from the mother plant. As in these pots, no other plant can grow except from the mother plant. And as you can see, my mom is removing all the leaves from the downer part. This will help the above leaves grow more healthier. Like that only we cleaned up all the extra weeds, leaves, etc. And we only gave manure to this plant once a year, as this plant does not require that much of nutrients. Also, when we prepare the soil of this plant, we mix 50% kitchen waste compost and 50% garden soil. Right now we are going to give these plants a very little amount of tea leaf compost that we made at home. As aloe vera is a leafy plant, nitrogen-based fertilizer is the best for this plant. That's why tea leaf compost or plain leaf compost is the best for this plant. Otherwise, you can also give kitchen waste compost if you wish. After giving your manure, make sure to water your plant. But as aloe vera is a succulent plant, it does not require that much water. Because if the plant soil is moist, most of the times the plant's growth will not be good. So make sure to only water your plant when the soil is dry. And remember the extra leaves that we cut out earlier? Yes, with these leaves, after we take out the gel, we are going to use it for our hair care. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.